What I'm working on tonight are the floor transitions between the wood floor and our bathroom tile. Now I went out and picked out, this is ash comb gray laminate flooring. So I got an ash comb gray step up transfer, what do we call these? Multi-purpose reducer. And that is supposed to take you from one level of surface to about a ½ inch, maybe a quarter, 3/8 inch difference in height. And if you take a look here, I made the cutouts for the door frame. If you look here, there's almost a ½ inch gap here. And if you press down, maybe a 1/4 inch gap here. Let's see. Yeah, decent amount. So we have a ways to go. So I had to go and buy one of these. And this is a universal reducer. And what this will do is it will help me transition the next step from here to here to here. Now I gotta cut this to fit into this door frame. And then I also have to decide if I'm gonna have to flip this over, stand a portion of this onto an angle, because I think the floor here is rising up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and screw this as far down into the floor as I possibly can to try and even out the distance here and the distance here, or if I can see the depth, and we'll see how well that works. So first things first, you need to get this piece cut at 24 inches here, a slight indentation for the door stop, and then I'll see how much I either shave here or on the bottom of this to make this all fit. Looks half bad. Now normally this transition piece requires a strip here in the middle. It's actually like a metal U-shaped channel and pinches onto this this board and keeps it in place. I'm not going to install that here because it's just too much effort to bring add a piece of wood here to bring it up level. I don't think I need it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use finished nails, 3 of them, hold it in place with a combination of glue, and that is how we are going to keep this in place. Now this is an easily replaceable part. If it comes off in a couple of years, I can come back, rip it off, and replace it. I think that is a decent solution. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now this transition almost was good enough. You can see I had laid the U-channel in, I had it raised to a pretty good level, and I had most of this inserted. However, this right corner here started to crack just a little because of the change in elevation here, which is a little too extreme. So instead, what I'm going to do is I have a smaller transition piece that I'm going to go grab and show you. And it will help me lay this down with a slight transition here so it's not angling in an unnatural way. So just let me go ahead and grab that and I'll show you. So this is maybe 3/8, well, 5/16 reducer. So take a look at it here. probably give it the correct, definitely on this side, it'll give it the correct height, and that'll rest easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this to the right length, clean up a bit here in this area and screw it in.